We're building one of the largest sports books in Atlantic City. Not largest by size, but largest by amount of LED. In this case, I'd say the engineering was very easy to follow on the Premier side, and there was also a manual that came along with the mounts. Even though they're custom mounts, we don't get a manual that detailed normally. And they also came boxed in cardboard with part numbers and easy to identify pieces, and that was very helpful for the field.
This is the newest project here, Tropicana, the sportsbook. It is about 200 feet of screen. Was one of my biggest concerns was how this was all going to transfer from paper to the field. I can say that with these mounts, the machining and the quality of these mounts has been, I'm going to tell you, it's been fantastic. So it did put my mind at ease once I knew we had the first rack mounted and squared on the substructure. It went together fairly easy. The machining that went into these, you can tell sometimes, was taken to make sure it was right. It was very seamless. And then the learning curve is very small. Once you realize how it goes together, the time to put it together really starts to shrink down.
Premier has been excellent. We had some support from the manufacturer out, and we had great instructions from them. And it's been very, very smooth. I have no complaints. The system is really well engineered, goes up quickly, not a lot of wasted parts or wasted time. Very happy with it so far. You're always going to have some usual variables on site. You're never going to get a perfectly straight wall, but the mount's got great adjustability. It's made the usual things that come up able to be dealt with quick.
I would say the Convergence Series mount is probably one of the best due to the fact for the easy installation, also easy alignment and easy mounting of cabinets to the mount itself. Due to the slimness of it, the contrast also go along with the U-Slim panel. The overall depth is about 3 to 4 inches, so doesn't take up a lot of space, doesn't protrude from the wall as much as other panels with other mounts.
This has been a very favorable experience. I would say I'm extremely happy with the end result that we're getting. It's coming out perfectly straight and it's easy to install.